Yo, this is day two of documenting my project, Denioverse, and recently I've been facing a really huge problem regarding my network since I have unlimited access to the internet since we changed the router, but it's only for a couple of weeks. I'm pretty sure by next week I'll be alright. And but what I want to say here is that something recently struck me in my mind about Steve Jobs. Something really resonated with me throughout building this project because I don't know anything about how to code, how to write code. I've been learning a few syntaxes, the basics of coding, but then the amount of time that it will take for me to actually start coding and prototyping apps and building fully functional apps isn't going to meet the deadline for this project. So that's another thing that I'll still document. But what really resonated with me is the fact that Steve Jobs didn't know how to code anything. He didn't know anything about computer hardware. He didn't know anything about software. He just had a vision that he needed to execute. His only asset was his vision was his vision and his ability to execute, even though he didn't know anything about computer hardware or software, and yet he managed to build the biggest software and hardware company in the world. And that is something that I found to be truly fascinating to me.